is our hot selling analog video door phone kit for Villa. So this is our package, color box package. Now we open it. This is for indoor monitor, and this is to put the accessories. This is the door camera, and we have accessory power adapter and some cables, 2 screws, and 1 bracket for the indoor screen. And this is the indoor screen. User menu. And from the back panel of the indoor screen, it has 3 screws. This one to adjust the volume of the bell, and this one to adjust the color. This one adjusts the brightness. Okay, now we show you how to connect it. From the indoor screen, this one is 4-wire cable. Connect from the indoor screen to the door camera. And this 2 is the connect the power adapter. Now power adapter give power to the indoor screen, and the indoor screen give power to the door camera. Okay, now we put here. And we can press this button, and here we can unlock the door and answer and hang up. And in standby mode, press this button. We can switch different ringtone. Totally we have 25 ringtone for optional. Okay.